Good morning, and today is Wednesday time in Sydney, Australia. Right now, as you can see here on the corner, is 5 a.m. Date is 23rd of November 2022. This video clip that I'm gonna upload on YouTube channel very soon is gonna be forecast and explain about some pairs like old pound, which I have around this area, Bitcoin, gold, Euro, Australia, Euro, Canada, Euro, USD. Before I do that, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer first. Then I go back to the chart. I explain to you guys. We started with the pound Canada. This is only forecast, okay, and also I'll probably explain about some of the trick that I do for the trading and how I can find a level and how I enter to the market. Okay, I start with the pound Canada. As you can see, on the date and time here is live. Okay, pound Canada, all is in 15 minutes. By the way, all is in 15 minutes. As I mentioned in previous video, that I'm going to concentrate on in 15 minutes time frame because I want to upload the video quickly and for the second part as well. So for the pound Canada, as you can see, market is here right now. If this price come under this area is going to be our buying zone, and then when I get the signal to buy, then I would buy to this level. Okay, why I choose this one, as you can see, this is hidden support and resistance that the software give us the point, and then we enter to the market according to where the price is. I think previous clip that I had, it was about pound Canada. Let me check. Was it pound Canada? Yeah, pound Canada, that I had these two video, part 1 and part 2, which all came true. Let me show you this one. Yes, this is the one. Actually, that's a good one. We enter, to the, that was the forecast for the pound Canada and that level in the past. You see how many times it hit. Again today, as you can see, we had hit that level in 2 days ago, and it's going back again towards this level. But what I'm thinking is this: look at this candlestick. If it comes to this area between these two purple color, and if I get a signal to buy, I would buy to this area. But sometimes I avoid to buy because the price from here to, for example, to here is about only 8 pip. It's not worth it for the entry to the market with a stop loss and things like that. But just to show you the direction, we go to the pound USD. Pound USD is heading down to this area, but I'm waiting for the software to give me go ahead to sell it. I haven't received as yet, so I'm waiting. When market give us the go ahead to sell, I will sell it. This is a very important level. This is support, and these are the support, hidden support. And if I get a signal to sell, I will sell to this area, and it's going to be around, say for example, sometimes today from here to here is going to be about 60 pip. The final destination would be about 78 pip, but I haven't received a signal to sell as yet. For the pound Australia, the price is here. I am waiting. When the price come to this area, this is our buying zone, then I would buy the product. I would buy the pair to this area. So this is our final destination for the trade. So if in this area, if the price, as you can see, this candlestick, when we say price, we're talking about this. When the price come down to this area, is a buying zone, and when we get a signal, we buy to this level only. If the market goes above here, and if I get a signal to sell, I will sell again. Okay, so I have opportunity to buy and to sell. I'm not going to do anything here because this is only at the moment the market going up and down, but these are the level I'm looking to it if it comes first in this area. So for the pound Japan, I don't have any level or any signal, but for the pound Japan I don't get that much signal for some reason, I don't know why, but let me go to the past just to show you guys. Okay, these are the past signal and past level that we used to have. As you can see in this arrow, I actually bought before, that was a long time ago, a couple of days ago, to this area. So this is the level the software give us, and as you can see, I ticket already has been finished for the trading. As you can see, market came here, I've got the signal to buy, then we put a stop loss here, and then if the price hit the stop loss, then we got another signal, we put a stop loss here, and it went to a hit. So this is for the recovery of the loss, as you can see. And then when market went above the hidden support and resistance level, and then when we get a signal to sell, we can sell it. So this is another trade, and then we don't get any signal here, but market went above it again and we got a signal, then we could sell again as another trade. And here we got a signal on this trade, and if we enter to this, it's only 20 pip, but the stop loss would be 40 pip, is not worth it. So we're not going to enter to this trade because the ratio is too high. And as you can see again here, we got another signal to sell, another signal hit the level, which that level was very important. These are all finished. I'm not just, this is in the past, I was going to show you. For the pound Japan, I don't get that much signal and the level, but if I get it, it's very accurate, almost happening 70 or 80% of the time. So we go to New Zealand CHF. I don't have any level on the New Zealand CHF. Okay, here as you can see already, I'm waiting if market come under this make it actually for future reference. If price come down here to this area, which is our buying zone, I'm gonna buy it to this level. So I'm gonna mark it up for my future reference. So this is the level. I'm hoping that market price would come under here, and then I buy it. Okay, I mark up before. This one was on 18th of the November. Actually I found this level and this signal. I'm waiting that market would come down. So we go for the Euro USD. Euro USD again, I'm waiting market to come to this area. This is our buying zone. If the price come here, then I would buy it to this level. Okay, that's for the Euro USD. Euro Canada, I already entered the market, as you can see, for this level. And final destination for this, I am in the trade now. As you can see, this is green, and we are in the profit now, but it doesn't mean that we are going to be in profit, because when Asia market or when Sydney market open around this area, market would volatile, going up and down, up and down. So we might go to loss, and then it goes up again. But this is our first TP1, and then second one would be TP2 here, final destination. But normally I get out of the trade in the first TP, taking profit. So I already entered to the market for Euro Canada in 50 minutes time frame, and hopefully it's going to hit the target sometimes today. So for Euro Australia, I don't have anything as yet, so I'm waiting. For this, actually, let me show you this. I'm gonna do this one for you in front of you. If the market comes under here, and then I would buy it to this level. Okay, because already I've got the level of hidden support and resistance. This green dot show me the level in the past, which is support and resistance. And in this case, when market passed through here, this level, then I will wait for the software to give me a signal to buy to this level. Okay, this is the way I do. For the gold, I entered the market for the gold. I haven't put a stop loss as yet because I just entered the market and I missed this trade. I should have actually entered the market in this arrow, and by the time I would be well pass through here and get the profit. But again, this is the second opportunity for me. That's why I thought I better enter to the market for this level, because already went up and hit the level that I want. But doesn't matter, for some reason I know that market is going to go up again to this level and this level, so I entered to the market. Then I would adjust the stop loss. I haven't put a stop loss as yet because I'm waiting for the opening Sydney time, and then I will do it. So we go for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is here right now, the price is here. Let me show you this. And Bitcoin sometimes today is going to come down to this area, hit this is the level. We are waiting for the signal to sell the Bitcoin. I haven't received the signal. When I receive the signal, I will sell it if I am at the computer. So this is only forecast for a couple of the pairs that I have mentioned, for the pound, the euro Australia, and euro Canada. All this here that I have, because I cannot monitor all the pairs, and because there are so many of them. So I concentrate on this sort of things. So we see. So before I go, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. This is only forecast, and some of the trade I entered to the market already. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this clip and this video. I'm going to upload it very soon on the YouTube channel. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.